Hello friends, welcome to Tricks for Bucks. So, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe us so that you should be updated with the new videos or new programs being launched in the Bitcoin world or maybe another way of digital currency. So, today my topic to share is about an app which is an online auction app. So you need to bid on it so that you can earn from that. So it's called as Casho. You will get 5 taps, means that you will get 5 bids to be on the auction, and this also gives you 5 taps reward for checking in to this app every day. So you can also go to your offer section so that you can earn more taps. Like if you're gonna install this app, it will say that you need to go to the app and install it, and after that you need to return to the app so that you will launch the app from here. You need not launch the app from the Google Play Store. You have to come back to this place so that you can launch the app and earn the 40 taps. So how you gonna earn from this is that you got to need to go to the auctions page. So like such, this auctions page is going on. Like you need, I have 122 tabs over here remaining, and like if when you need to bid on something on some of the gift card, so you got to bid on it like such here. Oh, sorry, I can't because I have already won, and you can see over here you can only win one auction with green lock every 5 days. So I have already won this thing, as well as I have won another 200 taps over here. See, this can be done. This can be won every 10 days. So if you win once, then you need to you can bid it after 10 days only. So how you need to bid on it like such, I am gonna show you. It's a bronze gift card. I will try earning from this place. So presently there are no bidders over here. I will bid on it. It will take my 10 taps over here. As you saw that there was 122 taps, but presently after bidding on this place, you can see I have left 112 taps. So as the time will be reducing gradually time to time, like after it reaches 50 seconds remaining, more bidders will be attracted towards this. So presently I have seen in the previous session that someone from um, 5G data or something named someone is always available here from for bidding this. Like you can say that the person is my opponent. I need to be alert while I bid, or else he will win the prize. So you can also check my claims or my wins over here. See, I have already received 200 taps, as well as I have received $1 starter. So like such, you can also win. To get started, please visit the description box. You can get the referral link or the download link. If you gonna download it from my link, see the 5G data is over here present to win this. So let's see if I can make some money over here or not. Whenever the timer reaches towards 10 seconds or 5 seconds, if another bidder bids on it, then the time will go to 9 seconds. If it is under 9 seconds, then it will stay at 10 seconds. So you need to earn more taps from the offer section so that you can have more taps in your hand to bid more, to win more. So I got to see over here. Actually, this man has won many of the contests over here, as I have been seeing him for a long time in this app, in this auction page. Might be he might be having a lot of taps in his account. Might be I won't win this match, but it totally depends upon luck. How many users have been engaged, how many users have already claimed from this, and how many has lock upon it. So let's try the luck. See, someone else is also here, uh, and 5G data is being present for every time. I will bid now. Okay, someone else also joined. Again 5G data. Again 5G data. He has much of the taps remaining in his account. So let me again bid it. Okay, he came again. I have 92 taps remaining. I think I gonna lose this round, but no issues. There are free taps on the offer section. The offer section is updated every day so that you will be able to get more taps every day. And you should keep in mind that each of your taps will be valid for the same day, the day you got it. See, my bid is not working. Okay, it worked now. So might be of connection problem. I may lose this match, or else 5G data gonna take all over this $2.7. So let me bid it again. I had it in my hand. 4 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1, 0, and going. So hopefully I might win this. If it shows ended, then only I gonna win it. Or else if it is going to show that it's going, like the green signal on the green mark it's written that going, that means I'm still doubtful that I have won or not. So we have to wait until it shows that it has been ended, then only we can confirm that we have won this match. Let's see. I don't know what's the problem going over here. Someone here on 3 seconds, let me bid it here. That is okay. 5G data won it. How come? Here also. Let's see. Oh, I lost it. I lost it. I lost the match. 5G data gonna win. See, like here going, and then it will become, and no, someone else bidded it. 5G data came again. So this is all it works like. You can also refer your friends to earn 10% of their earnings, and you can use my code ZZSGU36 to get a bonus of 50 points. So thanks for watching, and this is my winning section, and thanks for watching this video. Happy earning. Thanks for watching Tricks for Bucks.